Here is my Penncrest 100 box fan. This thing is super powerful. It only draws 2.5 amps on high, which is, for the motor and how much power, it's pretty amazing. I mean, GE fans draw like 3.1 or something, and they're pretty powerful, but they're not high velocity movers like this. They move the air in a great volume that goes for a far distance, just not a bunch of it at once. In windows, they're pretty powerful. They're like whole house fans, but this is pretty crazy how powerful it is. Now on high, it's pretty loud, but other than that, it's fine. I like the grill a lot, and I got this one for a decent price. I think it was only like 30 bucks, which isn't bad. More than I would pay for a box fan, but I wanted one after I tested it. I was like, yeah, this is what I need. It's super powerful, and I got done cleaning it, oiling it, and waxing it, so now it's perfect. The blades are polished up, and it looks amazing. Enough rambling, and here it is on high. It rattles a little bit, even though I put fire washers in there. It's a lot better than what it was. It used to rattle like a ton. Not really running on high much, but it's really powerful. A little better if you tilt it forward or if you tilt it back. It goes away. I might take it back apart. I don't know. It's just not as loud. Probably run on medium rather than high. So it moves about the same amount of air and it's not loud. Here it is on low. It's just the back grill vibrating. Sadly, it vibrates. There's still a lot of air on low and it's really quiet. Probably should balance the blade. As you can see, it shakes a lot. But I'm not sure. I think somebody must have stuck something in there because normally these box fans don't shake that much. Pretty well balanced. I think on low it draws like 0.5 amps, which isn't bad, especially for the air movement. It's not much of a startup sound on this thing. I really can't hear one, unlike the Lakewoods. I mean, this is a Lakewood rebrand, but still. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and that's the Penncrest Boxman.